Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Audrey the Travel Mama. I know I just did a Hoya update video not long ago, but after that video, a lot of my Hoya has really good news. So I'm just gonna do a small Hoya updating to show you guys some of my Hoyas. I'm going to start this video with my fishtail, of course. Last time I showed you guys that this fishtail has some new growth on this one, and these two leaves are the newest growth on this branch. But look at the old branch, it's actually branching out, and then this the two new leaves on this branch. I'm actually thinking about cutting this off as this won't have any new growth, I don't think. So I'm gonna cutting this off and just root them, so hopefully I can have another fishtail. There might be another video about Hoya cuttings. But look at this one, it's such a big Hoya now. Not super big, but it's exciting. This is my handle rope. Last time I told you guys that there's nothing growing on this Hoya. I speak too fast. Look at this one. It actually have new growth. Ooh. It actually has a new leaves on this stem. I'm really excited about it because my daughter took the the new baby leaves out of this stem last year, and she's really excited to show me her new collections of my Hoya leaves. I thought this stem might be died off, but nope, it's actually growing. Here is my crinkled 8. Let me show you the new growth. Yes, it's also growing. Here's my Hoya carry. Let me show you how much it has grown. Yep, after I showed you guys last time, this one has not stopped growing and even growing several leaves. This one. Here is what I was talking about. You see the white fluffy thing on this thing? There's some on this one too. I thought it was mealybugs. That's how I kill the other growing point, because I tried to kill the mealybugs, but it was not a mealybugs. It's actually the new leaves, and I break it. Here is my Hoya Microphylla variegata. Let me show you the new growth. It's right here. I told you guys last time that this the two new growths, and I think the tips died off. But on this side, it has a new shoot coming out. I think so. And then this side just keeps growing. It's actually died off on here. And then the side shoot coming up and just non-stop growing. It's a really fast growing Hoya, that's for sure. But I haven't seen anything on this old one yet. So hopefully there's something coming on the old branch too. But right now I'm really excited about this. This is my Hoya Sparkle Pupicata. I think that's just the name. Yep. And I told you guys several times that I feel it has been stocked as a new growth, but I just found out this new leaf. Let me show you if I can show you guys. So here is a new leaf. It's growing from the back, and I dig deeper, and actually there is a new growth coming up. So this one finally stopped at stalking stage and started to growing. So let's see how this one gonna go. This is the Hoya Bella. Let me show you. It actually started to grow pretty quick. Here are the new leaves, but there's more exciting news coming. Show you right here. See what I'm seeing? It's hard to see, but here are the petungos, and it actually have another one right here on another branch. Ooh, it's hard to see. Right there. The petungo is so tiny. Right here. It's right on the edge of the growing point. It's the first time it bloomed for me. As I mentioned before, I bought it as a cutting. It's actually come with petungos and they all fall off, of course. So this is actually the first time it's going to bloom for me. So it's kind of funny to see the petungo at the edge, at the growing point. I hope it will still growing after it's bloomed for me. But I can't wait. Here is my Hoya La Canosa. It does growing a lot, but let me show you some good news. Look at that. This is the petungos, and it actually have another one right here. It bloomed for me last year, I think in the same place, but after it's in the bloom season, the petungo fall off. But this year it gave me two. So I can't wait for it to bloom again. It's fragrant, it's amazing. I'm going to end this short video. I hope you all enjoyed and excited as I am with the new growth on my Hoyas. I hope you all have a fabulous day. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!